PayPal money just like this over $260. And right here, another PayPal payment over $300. And guess what? You can just repeat this as much as you want. And this is actually very simple, very easy that anyone can do this without any experience. And in fact, this is 100% free. You don't need any investment or any money to get started. And this opportunity is available worldwide in all countries in the world. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account. And I'll walk you through different examples and walk you through step by step how to do this. And at the end of this video, I'll literally just give you a copy and paste template as bonus, and you can start earning PayPal money literally starting today. So make sure you watch the full video all the way until the end, and do not miss out on any important steps. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Now, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now in this video, the website that I want to show you where you can earn a lot of PayPal money fast is Capterra. Now you can just go on to Capterra.com. Now here's the warning. Before you leave this video or skip any part of this video, I have two warnings for you. Number 1, which is the sign-up process here is a little bit complicated. You can see here, this is the entire sign-up process. And there are literally 3 steps that you have to follow. You don't watch the full video, you will not sign up successfully, you will not make any money. And number 2, the reason why you should keep watching this video is because, at the end of this video, I'll show you a copy and paste template. In fact, I'll show you everything exactly how I'm making PayPal money on this website. And you can literally copy everything that I show you. And once again, I'll give it to you for free at the end of this video. And that's the reason why you should keep watching. But before that, let me show you exactly how it works. Now basically on Capterra.com they're gonna pay you money, pay real cash money by simply writing reviews for different software. So you can see here, right on this website, they have literally hundreds and thousands of different software. You can write a simple review on just a very simple review. And you can get paid for every single review that you write. And don't worry, because you don't need any technical skill. You don't have to need any experience. You don't need any money. And you don't need to be good in English at all. I'll show you everything step by step right here on this video. And you can do this from basically any country in the world. In fact, I'll show you how you can copy and paste the entire review that I've written for you. You can just copy and paste and start making money after watching this video. So right now, without wasting any of your time, we're going to dive straight into writing a review. I'll show you step by step. Now first of all, I want you to go onto the homepage of Capterra.com and click on the link right here on top, write a review. And from there, that's going to take you to this page where you can simply search on any products or any company or any software that you want to write a review on, or otherwise, you can see here, they recommend you some popular software that you can write a review. So in this video, I'll give you a special bonus tip to focus on PowerPoint, because it's actually very easy, very simple. So right now, what I want you to do is to type in the keyword PowerPoint. You can see here PowerPoint and click on the search button. And from there, when you scroll down below, you want to look for this link right here, which is PowerPoint by Microsoft, and you want to click on that. And Bill, congratulations. That's going to take you to this page where you can simply write a review for PowerPoint. And once again, you can do this on your phone, you can do this on your computer. In fact, comment down below and let me know what type of devices you are using. Do you use a phone or do you use a computer? But anyways, when you scroll down below, you can see here that's the entire process on how to write a simple review for PowerPoint. And you can earn $10, and you can do this in less than 2 minutes. Now let's go down to the very bottom of this page. You can see here this is actually just step number 1. There is a total of 3 steps in this video. It'll show you everything step by step. Make sure you watch until the end and stay tuned for the bonus which I'll give you for free at the end of this video. So first off, on the initial part of step number 1, which is gonna be filling in some personal information, just putting your first name, your last name, your email address, and for the job title, very important. From now on, you're going to follow everything that I show you. Now, first of all, for the job title, I want you to put in freelancer. And this is very important, because if you don't have any job title, they will not accept your review, and you will not make any money. Now for the organization name, you can just put in self-employed, just self-employed, very simple, and for the industry. Now when you click on this down arrow, you can find any industry that you want to choose from. So right now, if you are currently working, you can just select any industry that you're working in right now, or otherwise, you can just put in computer software, because you basically write a review for a software. And once again, you don't need any experience. And from the company size, you can just choose from me only because you're only self-employed, and for how long have you used the software. Now very important. If you click on these options right here, you can see a free trial of fewer than 6 months or more than a year. Now if you choose a free trial, you will not get paid. So very important to choose on at least a minimum of 6 to 12 months, so that they will know that you have certain experience using the software yourself. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So moving on to the second part of this video, how frequently do you use this software? You can see here, click on these two selection options. And I want you to choose one at least minimum weekly. Choose on weekly. And finally, what is your role in using the software? Make sure to choose this. I am a user because you want to be the one using the software yourself. And they will approve your review and you can make money. So if you're still watching right now, you have done a great job. And that's how you complete step number 1, and moving on, just click on the next button. So basically right on the step, they want you to put a rating. How many stars do you give to the software that you are using right now? And you can just select and read anything you want. It's a very, very simple step just by clicking a few buttons. Now you can see here, there are a few things that they want you to put up a rating, for example, overall quality. So in this case, I highly recommend you put 4 to 5 stars in order to get accepted much easier. So in this case, I just put a 5-star for all of these criteria. As you can see here, for example, customer support, 5 stars, value for money, 5 stars. Now even though they say it's optional, I would highly recommend you to read them as well, in order to get accepted. So in this case, I just put a 5-star for all of these criteria, as you can see here, and moving down. How does the pricing for PowerPoint compare to similar products? Once again, it's optional. But I want you to make sure that you answer this question as well. So in this case, I just choose this one. And how likely is it that you recommend PowerPoint to your friend or your colleague? No, in this case, I'll choose number 9 or number 10, because it's actually very good software. And I love it. And I'd love to recommend it to other people as well. So in this case, I just choose this one. And that's all you got to do for step number 2. As you can see here, you can just literally do this in less than 10 seconds. And just go ahead and click on this next button to go to the final step. Step number 3. Now, this is super important, because that's where a lot of people fail to make money on this website, because they don't know exactly how to write a review. You can see here, you're gonna put up a title for your review. You're going to write about the pros and the cons, meaning what you like most about the software and what you don't like about the software. And after that, you still have to describe your overall experience with PowerPoint. And there are many things to write on this step. And a lot of people, they're stuck, they don't know how to proceed. And that's why I want you to keep on watching this video. So you can see here, that's the entire script that I want to share with you. We can see here a PowerPoint preview, and you can earn $10, and you can just do it in less than 2 minutes. This is crazy. You can earn $2 per minute using this exact strategy, and earning paper money again and again. So basically, you can see here the entire pros and the entire cons about the software and your overall experience. That's all we got to need here. And we can just copy and paste this answer and put them right here onto our view. And the reason why this is so important is that you're going to make sure your initial first few reviews to be accepted. And then they'll send you more and more reviews to keep on doing, and you can earn money again and again. Now for a lot of beginners, when they fail to get approved on their first submission, they will not receive any more reviews in the future. But if you use my proven script, you can get approved within 24 hours, and receive your earnings now in just a moment. Oh, I'll show you how to copy and paste my template. But I do want to share with you another strategy. Now, for example, when you go on to Capterra.com, at their website, you can check out other people's reviews about PowerPoint. You can just go down below and look for literally hundreds and thousands of people. They are leaving reviews about a PowerPoint. You can see here, they show you all the pros and all the cons right here on their website. This is the actual review that is left by other people. And a lot of people are leaving reviews and making a lot of money. And you can see here, there are so many people from different countries in the world. They're leaving a simple review about PowerPoint, and you get paid every single day. And guess what? You can simply go onto the website, and you can check out tens of thousands of reviews by other people who are already making money on this website. And you can get some inspiration and ideas on exactly how they are writing their review. And you can copy some of their sentences, you can refer to them, you can put in your own words and your thoughts into their reviews as well. And that's the extra strategy that I do want to share with you to get a lot of inspiration and ideas on how to write the review. I know a lot of people, they don't share the secret and strategy with you. But I want to make sure that I can help you as much as possible. If you appreciate that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So basically, for the title of your review, you're gonna write something like this very simple PowerPoint review. It's all you got to do. And for the pros category, under this box, you're going to write something about what you like about the software. Now basically, that's the script that's written for you. You can just copy this script right here, and just click on copy. Copy the entire answer. We're going to go back here and paste everything right here into this box. And that's the entire pros. So right there, moving on, you can do similarly for the cons. You can see here, just go back to the screen. And that's the cons, right? Just copy this one. Just click on copy. Once again, go back here and paste everything into the box. So that's all you got to do for 2 boxes. And finally, on the last one, describe your overall experience with PowerPoint. And once again, it is optional. But you can see here a lot of people who are making money on this website answered this question. Now, this is the most difficult part for a lot of people. But you can do it in less than 1 minute because number 1, you can get this copy and paste template. And number 2, you know the secret on how to refer to other people who already successfully submitted their review. So I tried to make my video as simple as possible for all of you guys without any experience. And once again, on this question, do you switch from another product? You can just click on no. And finally, you can just tick on this one right here to agree to the terms and conditions, and just click on the submit button. As simple as that. No, as you can see here, your product review has been submitted. Now you can just repeat the entire strategy. You can just keep your momentum going and search for other different products or software to write a simple review on and earn $10 in less than 2 minutes. And once again, they have hundreds of thousands of different software that you can write a simple review on. And you can just refer to other people's search on Google and look for other people's reviews and use the answer to get inspiration and repeat the process again and again. Now for those of you guys, if you want this copy and paste template for the PowerPoint review, all you got to do is just subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell like this on this video. Share this video with your friends and leave your best comment down below, and I'll reply to your and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.